Welcome to Volume 1 Test Interaction, the ultimate tutorial for creating stunning pyro simulations. In this lesson, we'll start by creating pyro source and learn how to apply useful technique to create dust and smoke simulations. We will understand voxel workflow and create sparse pyro solver from scratch. Along the way, we will learn how to apply micro solvers and control their value. And we will study velocity as well and explore other smaller tips and tricks to enhance your simulation and find the perfect voxel size for your scene. We will even learn how to create moving object smoke simulation in PyroSolver shop. Once we get decent sim result, we will import our result into stylized and render it using Karma XPU. And we will check out Material X and learn how to render it faster. So check out this exciting new course where we will explore the art of creating stunning dust simulations from basics to advanced techniques. So without further ado, let's get started.